87% of people who try to build passive income quit within 30 days. Not because it's hard, because they started wrong. I started with $0. No savings, no side income, no backup plan. This is the exact system that changed that. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3-step system I used to build my first passive income stream. I'll cover the tools, the platform, and the exact timeline. But there's one mistake almost everyone makes at step 2 that kills the whole thing. Stay until the end, it's the part no one talks about. Here's the trap most people fall into. They see a TikTok. They buy a course. They open a tab. They do nothing. Passive income sounds like money while you sleep. What they don't tell you, you have to build the machine first. And building takes time up front. Most people spend 3 months researching. They watch 40 videos. They make a list. They never start. That's not research. That's just fear with a productivity label. You're not broke because you lack information. The internet has told you everything you need. For free. You're broke because nothing has been built yet. The gap between $0 and your first passive dollar is one thing. Action. Not content. Not research. Action. Here's the 3-step system. Simple. No fluff. No upsell. Step 1. Pick one income stream. 1. Not 5. Not a portfolio. Not a strategy document. One stream. One product. One focus. The most beginner-friendly option with $0 to start. Digital products. A simple ebook. A Notion template. A budgeting spreadsheet. You create it once. You list it once. Every sale after that costs you nothing. That is the literal definition of passive. Don't overthink the product. Done beats perfect every single time. Step 2. Build the traffic machine. This is where 90% of people fail. They build the product. They post once. They check the sales page. Nothing. So they give up. Here's what they got wrong. The machine needs fuel before it runs. You need a consistent content funnel. Think of it like a vending machine. You have to stock it before anyone can buy from it. Post one short-form video per day for 30 days. TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Each video answers one question your product solves. No fancy editing. No studio. Phone camera and one idea per day. By day 30, you have 30 pieces of content pointing people to your product. That's when the machine starts running on its own. Step 3. Automate the sale. Use Gumroad or StanStore. Both are free to set up. Upload your product. Set your price. Get your link. Put that link in your bio. Mention it in every video. Now every view is a potential transaction. While you're sleeping, eating, or doing nothing, you built the machine. Now you let it run. Still here? Good. Because what I'm about to show you is the part most people skip entirely. And it's exactly why most people never see $1. Here's what my first 30 days actually looked like. Week 1, I built a Notion budget template. Took 4 hours total. I listed it for $7 on Gumroad. Week 2, I posted 7 short videos showing exactly how I use that template in my own life. Week 3, first sale. $7. Felt like $7,000. Week 4, 11 more sales. $77 total. 0 extra work. Not life-changing money, but proof the machine works. By month 3, that same template had made $340 with no additional effort from me. The product was the same. The content was already posted. The link was already live. The machine was just running. That's the entire system. You started this video with $0 and a question. You're leaving with a 3-step system, a product idea, and a 30-day plan. The only variable left is whether you actually build it. Next video, I'm showing the exact Notion template I used and where to list it for free. Drop a comment with void if you want that one next.